Michelle, and I'm going to take you through our new software and default prescription forms. As you can see, we do have a new logo for our prescription forms. You're able to download this from our website via our educational website. We have changed the logo of the two buttons that we have available, our custom orthotics and our polar bear semi-custom orthotics. You can see here it hasn't changed too much in regards to what you're able to add to the orthotic. However, we have added in prompts if you do not fill out certain areas of the prescription form. So today, what I want to go through with you is our default prescription forms to minimise the time that you spend on your prescriptions in regards to filling out details or filling out common prescribed additions or shell materials or top covers. The two key buttons for the default form is down the bottom, save as default form, and also the drop down next to the podiatrist's name. So as an example, I'm going to place my own name in this area. For contact number, we do suggest a mobile. This allows us to contact you a lot quicker in regards to any issues or questions that we have for your orthotics. And in the address, we do suggest to place the name of the clinic that you'd like it to be sent to, and then the address of the clinic. This will help us in dispatch to make sure that everything is going smoothly. I'm going to delete the notes in Notes for Lab Staff because I'd like to place my own notes there. So if there's something that you would like for all of your prescriptions, you're able to place a few notes in here and it'll be saved for every prescription form if you press Save as Default Form. I personally like Mike and Brel to be on the top, so I'm going to put that in this area, meaning that that will always be there with this prescription form. If we just put in the patient's name and we press Save, it's going to come up with a little prompt. Now, I haven't selected shell material, cover length or covers in this prescription form, which we need to with the new software. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to select what I commonly use. Now, we suggest this. You are able to change this when you do go through the prescription form after scanning the patient. As you can see here, I've pressed Save as Default Form down the bottom of the screen. This is now going to be saved as a default in the drop down area. So you can see here my name is now present. I'm going to add another one just as an example. So I'm going to change the name to Michelle Hodgart 1. Now that is the common denominator in regards to the default forms. You need to make sure that the name is different to create a different default form. If you were to put the same name in there and then press Save as Default Form, it would actually save over the last one that you did using that same name. So if I didn't put that one there and I change that prescription form and press Save as Prescription Form, then it will save over what I've just done. If you want to create as many as you would like, because it is endless, you're able to create them using your name 1, 2, 3, or running orthotics or plantar fasciitis. So it's completely up to you. You just need to change the podiatrist's name to ensure that it's not rewriting the last one that you've done. I'm then going to select a few random things that I like for this orthotic, and I'm going to press Save as Default Form. So if you go back to that drop down area, you can see that we have the two that I've created. Now, the last one that you create is going to be the first one that pops up when you go into the prescription form. If you want to create a few different prescription form defaults and then you would like the first one that you created to be the one that comes up first, all you'll need to do is select on the first one that you created, press Save as Default Form once again. The moment you get out of that program and go back in, you'll see that it will be the first one that pops up.